Hello everyone. So in this video we need to solve this question. 7 raised to power x plus 8 is equal to 8 raised to power x plus 7, right? So how will we solve this question? This is very simple. You should know this. How? We will just, if I will tell you a rule, a raised to power m plus n is actually equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n, right? So similarly here we can write it as 7 raised to power x times 7 raised to power 8, because a raised to power m plus n, a raised to power m and a raised to power n, right? Similarly here we will write 8 raised to power x times 8 raised to power 7, right? Okay. Can we divide both sides with 8 raised to power x? So I am dividing it with 8 raised to power x on both sides. What will I get? I will get 7 by 8 raised to power x times 7 raised to power 8 is equal to, this will cancel out and it will become 8 raised to power 7, right? Okay. So now can we divide both sides with 7 raised to power 8? Why? Because I want constant terms on that side and variables on this side. So dividing with 7 raised to power 8, what will we get? Here we are left with this 7 by 8 raised to power x, and here 8 raised to power 7 and 7 raised to power 8. Now whenever we have x in power and we cannot simplify it, what do we do then? We try to take log on both sides. Okay, so taking log, right? Okay, so left hand side is log 7 by 8 raised to power x, and right hand side is log 8 raised to power 7 by 7 raised to power 8. Now I will tell you some tricks here of log. So log x raised to power a can be written as a log x. This power comes here. Okay, so that means here left hand side will become x log 7 by 8, right? Okay, equals. Now whenever we have log m by n, we can write it as log m minus log n. Okay, so this is log 8 raised to power 7 minus log 7 raised to power 8. Okay, now what are we left with? Left hand side is x, and log 7 by 8 we will write it as log 7 minus log 8, and right hand side is 7 log 8, because this 7 the power can come here. Okay, minus 8 log 7, right? Okay, so now x is equal to, this thing can actually go in the denominator on right hand side. So this will become x is equal to 7 log 8 minus 8 log 7 by log 7 minus log 8. Now we need to see the log table for finding out the values of log 8 and log 7. What is log 8 now? I will see the log table now, and log 8 is equal to 0.9031. I will write it as multiply here. Okay, minus 8 multiply log 7 is 0.8451 by 0.8451 minus 0.9031, right? So now you need to multiply 7 with this. You will get 6.3217 minus 6.7608. Okay, and in denominator when you subtract it, it will be negative 0.058, right? Okay, so here we have negative of 0.04391 by minus 0.058. When you just cancel out the minus sign and divide these, you will get 7.571, and this is our answer. It was not that hard, right? So for more such videos you can visit my channel. You will find many maths Olympiad questions, conceptual things, and you will get short tricks as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.